This is a short video about the White House, which is a symbol of the United States of America. Now, other countries have special houses too. For instance, one country has the Blue House. What country has the Blue House? South Korea. What country has the Pink House? Argentina. And there's another country that has a White House also. What country is that? Kyrgyzstan. Now let's talk about the American White House. The address is 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue, Washington, D.C. This is a picture of the south face of the White House. The White House was built from 1792 to 1800, and James Hoban was the architect. John Adams was the first president to live in the White House in 1800. The British burned Washington, D.C. in 1814, and President Madison had to flee when they burned the White House. It was rebuilt from 1815 to 1817. This is a photo of the White House taken in 1846. Now, improvements were added to the White House over time. In 1850, a stove was added for cooking. A telephone was added in 1877 by President Hayes. And electric lights were put in 1891 by President Harrison. The West Wing was added in 1902 by Teddy Roosevelt. Teddy Roosevelt had too many children and they needed more space for living in the White House. The Oval Office was built in 1909 by President Taft to supply a presidential office in the West Wing. Here's the Oval Office today. The whole White House was remodeled from 1948 to 1952 during the time of President Truman. This is the north face of the White House today. And if you want to see more about the White House, you can log on to www.whitehouse.gov.